Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Shop Now button to a Facebook page. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to your Facebook account, and here you can see I am logged in as my Facebook page. So let's get to Facebook profile. So here you can see this is our Facebook page. So if you are not on your Facebook page, what you can do is on the right hand side you can see your profile picture name, and click here and you'll be able to switch to your Facebook account. All right, so once you have reached your Facebook account, here you can see there are no Shop Now buttons right now. So what we're gonna do in this video is add a Shop Now button. So let's get started with the video. So on the right hand side you can see the three dots icon. Click over here, and now what you have to do is click on View As. So here we are viewing as a visitor. So here there is no Shop Now button. So now let's exit, click on this icon once again and click on Add Action button. And over here you can see there are various options for this. Since we are adding a Shop Now button, what you have to do is click on this View Shop. All right. Now let's click on Next. And here you can see you can connect with other tool, or you can just click on Shop on Facebook. So you can choose between these two options. So if you have a shop outside of this Facebook, such as Shopify, you can click on Connect Another Tool. For simplicity, we are just going to go with Shop on Facebook. Now click on Next. And now we have to switch our account. Let's click on Continue. And here you can see shops are not available in my region. So here on my region, there are no shops available, so I cannot set it. So if you are in the countries like United States, you'll be able to click on shop on Facebook and set up like that. So for now, I'm just going to select connect to another tool. And here you can see various tools or various shop apps that you can connect to. So I'm just going to click on Easy Store. And here you can see you can connect Easy Store to Facebook from this. So now click on Continue once again. And once you have logged into the Easy Store account, you'll be able to connect Easy Store to Facebook. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to add a Shop Now button on Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.